Hmm.
Activate Susan Allard. Spot and Jeremy. All that has been done, right? Ooh.
Until we finish the I was gonna say until we finish the hands-on. But you
Okay.
want to do something else?
No, I have another class, SailPoint class after this, so I was just gonna plan it out with you with the other coach. So you just want to
Okay.
do the hands-on, that's it, right?
Yeah, hands-on that's it.
All right, cool. Let me just text him 1 second.
You know, say point two then.
Yeah, you want to learn that also?
I could learn it
We're
too.
doing a lot of stuff in SailPoint, bro. The other day I set up the um with the guy I set up Tomcat on my computer, Apache Tomcat server. I set up SQL Server. I set up SailPoint IIQ, I think 8.1 or something version. And then today we're gonna start connecting everything together and set up Active Directory on the virtual. I think something like that today is today's class. It's really good
Okay.
stuff. This guy is like really knows his stuff. Like this is what he lives and breathes all day.
All right.
So I have
He's
him
a
teaching SailPoint, and then that's really it, man. I got another guy for Okta. He's an expert. He's got 6 Okta certs. So I'm meeting with that guy also like 3-4 times a week right now. And that guy is like these questions that we encounter, he's just like breaking it down like so conceptually. Like he's always taking me to Okta. We're like drilling down all into the settings and he's showing me like this is what it is and here's what it means. It's been super
okay.
helpful, dude. I learned a lot from that guy in just one class.
That's good.
Yeah.
Where you man from though?
Huh?
I say, how you found him?
I found these people on Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn mostly.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, so custom SAML integration. Let's do that. What was the last one? Emp name, right?
Yeah, Anthony.
Okay, let me see if I can write this from memory. So it's plus colon period colon or sorry quotation plus sign here too. Like that, right?
Yeah.
Wait, like that.
Oh yeah. That'll be capsule.
Right. I think that's it.
All right.
Oh shit, where's the instructions? Oh, right here. Okay. Basically the first one right here. That's it. That's it, I think.
For this.
No, it'll give you give us the 2 links that we need to put on this side right here.
I gotta check the box, right? When you do the app. Remember, like I think this is a turn app or something like that.
Here on this org2.
No, all one. Like after you put
So
in
this
those.
is an internal app. Checking that box.
Yeah, I think we gotta check something, right?
Last time we didn't check it, remember?
Yeah, so I think we gotta check it now to get the points because we get 82%.
You want to play around with it? Okay. Okay.
Let's see. I think that'll make a difference, but you can see. I ain't trying to figure why we get 82%, but hey.
Sure, we can try it. Where is it?
You have to go to the first one. First one. And press edit. No, down.
The ACS. Oh, it's the audience. When you check this, the other option goes away. Interesting. Okay, that's it. Right?
Okay.
Was there, remember the step that we were missing? That wasn't here, right? That wasn't the last use case, right? That was use case 4, I think, correct? Like where we
Yeah,
were
yeah, use
stuck.
face
Okay.
for
All right. So we did this already, right? All this.
Mhm.
Now we're here. First name,
Yeah,
last email mapping from org1 to org2.
yep,
Maybe that's why we're getting 82 because we're not mapping the first and last name and email.
yeah, yeah, yep. That could be the reason why we get 82%.
Use expression language to combine first and last name in org1 to the new attribute emp name and has the format example, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So first name, last name, email, and then do the mapping. So mapping is didn't we have to assign this to everybody or something? Assign everyone to the group? Yeah. Um, all right. So the mapping thing was directory and profile editor
Mm-hmm.
in here. User mappings, I think it's this one. So we got
Oh,
to
you
map first name. First name should be mapped to first name, I guess. They don't exist here. So if they don't exist on this side, what is the reason for that?
I don't know what they said for it. I try to figure out if we do
Can I do it manually like this? Just type it in.
see if it work.
Let's try to save it, see if that works. So does this mean that we need to add these things in the the first org or something?
That
First org
shouldn't be
doesn't
though.
exist.
I was trying to, I guess you could do it. I'm trying to figure if we configure the app properly. The first name should be there, right?
Yeah.
See? But then you saying, okay, so mm, you trying to map the attribute, I think from the app to
Mm-hmm.
the org, right? So maybe the attribute is not shown to the application.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the application. Go back to profile editor.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Okay. Then go to the app. Click on and app user.
Okay.
Let's see if you see the attribute there.
So we have to add it
Um,
here.
but I don't think, I mean, I guess you have to add it up, but damn. Okay, based on the attribute thing you did, you do the equation like username dot last name, then you
Mm-hmm.
have the plus sign and quotation mark, then you have the dot and quotation mark plus sign. I think that should be able to, you know, I think that is the procedure for adding the attribute already. So I don't know why it's not showing here.
Right.
Because based on the instruction, if we go back to UK's too,
Right.
I think that's you create an attribute right there and there. So I don't know why it's not saving. But I guess you create the attribute here. So
Right.
let's create attribute here. I don't know. It's supposed to be created already. I don't know why it's not doing that.
Okay, let's try adding them then.
Yeah. Use a special launch to combine first name, last name. Okay.
Is it like this?
No, the F supposed to be lowercase.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
That's it basically, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're saying now we should be able to go to mappings. But we added this in the engineering user application profile, by the way. So
Yeah,
we
I'm
were
trying to figure it now. Uh, let's say map.
see what happens. Maybe this is it.
Mm-hmm. We had to add end up.
Huh?
We have to add the engineer application attribute. Emp name, my bad. Emp name. Without emp name.
Ah, okay. Okay, I'll do it in a second. Let me do the email.
Mm-hmm.
There's no emp name here. Yeah, there's nothing here yet. So how do we go to add that? You go into profile editor, and we
Yep.
went to this
Go
thing,
to yep.
and then add attribute. We took this thing here, put it here, like that, right?
I'll put the E capital.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, so then now we go back to this thing. Oh, I guess the
Mhm.
mappings was there, but anyway. Well, we display name, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Name like that, right?
Yep.
Okay. What that basically means, okay, so we did first name, last name, we did that. We use expression language to combine first name, last name. And we did the emp name.
Mm-hmm.
Give me 1 second, bro. Be right back.
All right.
Hey, Godfrey, sorry about that, bro. I'm back.
All right.
Okay, so we did the all the way to number 4, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Assign everybody, we did that. Sign into org
Do
1
you,
as Anna Wu.
yeah. Do you create the app name already?
Yeah,
Can you map it already?
yeah. This right
Okay.
here? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay, let's skip this step to see if it takes points off. If it takes points off, then we will know that this is, we need to do this.
Okay.
Otherwise, just time consuming doing this every time.
All right. All right. Cool then.
No, we really shouldn't, because then we're not gonna know if it's something else. Let's just go ahead and do this.
Yeah. And you say you show you map app name? I don't know if I saw it. You did?
Yeah. Display name.
Yeah. I
Org name.
forgot. Okay.
Display
Yep.
name.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So the last step was Anna Wu.
Yep.
Yeah. Good. So now 3. Where was the managing people? Don't tell me. Hold on. Oh, we have to pick Fiona first. I believe that should be it. manage users, manage groups, and that's it. Now
create a resource.
take the Fiona, huh? We just made it. So what is it called? Management admin, I think.
Yeah. Then create resort. So you have the
Yeah, we have to actually make the resource set.
yeah.
Trying to figure out how to do that. Maybe here, create resource set. Add to all groups. I think we've done that. Assign new management admin to Fiona Boots. We've already done that. Wait, assign the new management admin role to Fiona Boots. Where is that management admin role? What was it here? I think that's it.
Yeah, save it.
Sign in as Fiona and suspend Yusuf Patel. Okay, suspended. That's done. Everything here is done.
Yeah.
I might have to call it, bro, unfortunately, because my other coach has been really waiting for a long time.
Okay then.
So let's stop
All
here
right,
for
cool
right
then.
today, and then let's pick back up again tomorrow or whenever the next time you're free. Sorry, bro, I have to, like, he's getting kind of irritated and
All
we're
right then.
2 minutes late.
No problem then.
Okay, bro. Sorry again. Yeah, we'll pick back up again.
All right, cool.
Okay, thanks, man. Bye.
All right, bye.
Mhm.